Hi guys, you probably are wondering, how's the washing machine doing? I've had it since June 11th. It's a little over 4 months that I've had this washing machine. I've been using it twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays, every week without any problems whatsoever. This machine runs perfect. Like I said, I've not had one problem with it. It works really, really well. Right now it's Monday, so I'm doing the towels right now, and I got other clothes on the ground here that I'm going to be washing. But I have 2 towels in there. They're good sized towels. And like I said, it works really, really well. Really, really well. That's how it sounds. It's not too noisy. Like I said, I live in an apartment, and I didn't want to do my laundry at the laundromat, so I got one of these, and I love it. I have the hose hanging out from our bathtub, so when it drains, it goes in the tub, drains out that way. As you can hear, it's not even that loud at all. And I only put in a little bit of soap because that's all it needs, just a little bit. So if you put too much, it's gonna get so soapy everywhere. You're gonna have to rewash them to get out all the leftover soap. So like I said, you just need a little bit. Okay, now it's stopped. I'm gonna turn this to drain. And as you can see, the water is coming out into the tub. I do have something in the tub that will catch all the little lint that falls into the tub so it won't clog up the drain and stuff. But as you can see, the water is going down. I'll show you guys at the end of the video what I use to catch any of the lint that falls into the drain. You can see the water starting to go down pretty quick. Okay, I have the 2 towels that I had in the washer. I put them in the spin cycle here, and we'll put it on. Kind of need to hold it down for a little while, then you can let it go. That's how loud it sounds. It's not too loud, and it's draining the rest of what was on there, as you can see, into the tub. It's doing a really good job. See all that soap and water coming out. And what I use to fill up this side here is this. I use that. It's faster that way instead of using the hose that connects to that. You can always also, if you want to save some time, just pour a bucket of water in there, but that's how I like to do it. I use the handheld shower to fill it up. And I have this on a shower chair. It's not that big either. It's from the shower chair there. It doesn't take up much room when I am finished with it. I just put it on the side of my dresser, and that's that. Okay, it's done. See, and it's pretty. It feels really dry already. I mean, not 100%, but about 90% dry. Look at that. So now I just hang them up and let them dry. Okay, this is what I use on top of my the tub. This is what catches all the little lint and it gets caught all the way around. It's like that all the way around. Just put it on top of the tub and it'll catch all those little things in there. So I'm going to put it back in there. I'm doing another load. I have like maybe 4 or 5 other loads to do. And then I'll be done with laundry. But yeah, this is a really good machine if you're looking for something for your apartment. This, you should think about getting one of these. It's really, really nice. This is like an 8 to 9 pound load here. Like I said, I use this to fill up the water. As you can see, it's filling up pretty quick. I'm going to put the link to get this in the description if you guys want to order it. This is off of Amazon. I think I paid $67 or $68 at the time, I think. I don't know. But, yeah. Putting the link in the description. Thanks for watching.